Xiaomi just take the OpenCode and make it a better AI agent called the MiMo Code. So MiMo Code is a brand new AI agent, and Xiaomi has completely upgraded it to handle massive and complicated projects. So what makes it actually better? Most coding agent works great at first, but if you have a long conversation or a big project, the AI basically gets amnesia or it starts hallucinating. It runs out of memory, forgetting what you already asked 20 minutes ago. MiMo fixed this by giving the AI a persistent digital notebook. So instead of forgetting, it automatically saves notes and progress checkpoints directly to your computer. So whenever it runs out of memory, it quickly reads its own notes to remind itself exactly what it was doing previously. So it combines it with a smart checklist system that break the project into a small steps. Using this technique, the Mivo Cloud never loses its own train of thought. So this is the website. I will provide the website link in the description. You can check that out. Here, if you actually open up the GitHub link now, so these are the features, unlimited context that I have this explain now, and the search a warning system. Let me open up the GitHub now. Here, this is the GitHub page, and let me scroll down. You can see it's a terminal-based AI coding assistant. So we are already covered that. If you scroll down, they provide a quick start. So to install this Mivo Code, we need to have a Node.js installed in our machine. If you don't have the Node.js, what you can do is, you can open up a new tab and type Node.js download. So if you already have the Node.js installed, you can skip this part now. So depending on your operating system, make sure you install the Node.js on your Windows, Linux, or either way, and open up your command prompt to check if the node has been successfully installed. If you type node-version, you can say big auto version. If you type npm-version, you can say I'm using the version 10. So once you have done that, you can install this using the npm. So npm install the Mivo Code. So let me copy it and paste it here. This will install the Mivo Code in our machine. So you can see Mivo Code provides the free model for a limited time, and it also has the other features as well. You can save multiple agents, build a plan and compose similar to the open code. And we have the persistent memory, and you can also give your voice as a input here. So these are the features of the Mivo Code. Now the Mivo Code has been successfully installed. Let me clear the screen now. So to run it, just type Mivo. So let me clear the screen and type Mivo now. So what I will do is, instead of opening the Mivo Code in this root folder here, that is a mod folder. So what I will do is, I will close now and open this in the project folder. Consider. So the project folder that I have taken in this video is this finance tracker that I have created using the Django. You consider this the project that I have created using the simple Django project. So let me open up the terminal, and here inside this project, I'm going to open the Mivo Code. Here you can see it is asking us to either trust this folder. Yes, I want to trust this folder. So if you get this error, no, unknown error, make sure you move your project folder from the OneDrive to the local disk. Here you can say I have moved the project folder from OneDrive to local disk, and also delete the .git folder. It says it already exists. So let me delete this .git folder. So these are the few errors that I have encountered when dealing with this Mivo Code. So let me run the Mivo Code now. Here you can see now we got the Mivo Code editor now. Here you can see the interface is very similar to the OpenCode. And if you open up the model section, you can open this by type /models. Here you can see they have the Mivo models as well, and you can also add your custom models. Either you can go with the free option or you can go with the paid plan, which you'll have to subscribe to that one. So currently it is using the paid plan. We can also use the other model providers as well. So what I will do is, I show you how to connect the models. To connect the provider, you can say Control A. Consider Gemini is available, Anthropic is available, DeepSeek is available, Open Router also available. So lots of providers is available. But if you want to test these, you can use their free models only. That is the Mivo model is they are providing for a limited time. So you can also switch the mode as well by pressing the tab. You can see that I'm gonna ask what is this project is about. So actually I have used the paid model, I think. So let me open up the model section one more time. I'm gonna switch to the free models that they are providing. Here you can see the first one is the free model that they are providing for limited time, and I'm gonna set the medium model. So now let's ask the same prompt again. What is the project is about? So let me agree these terms and conditions. Here you can see it immediately read the requirements, the text file and the README file, and it gave us the features now. So this is the France-based project built using the Django. So I'm gonna ask a prompt now. So add the total expense and the total income to the dashboard page. So this is the prompt that I will ask to add the new features. So while it is thinking now, what I will do is I will show you what this project is about actually. So here you can see it is reading the input files, dashboard.html file and the services.py file. So let me open the project folder and let me start the Django server now. So Python manage the py and I'm gonna run the Django server now. Let me press enter. Here you can see we got the Django server here. Let me open up now. And as I told, right, this is a very basic finance tracker project built using Django. And currently we don't have the total expense as well as the total income, and it has added now. You can see that it is adding the codes for us, the features that we have asked, and it is thinking for a while, and directly it is adding the features like the open code. And the advantage of this MiMo Code, as I told earlier, is that it has the persistent memory. It directly saves all the memory to your computer. So even though if you have a longer conversation, it so instantly remembers what you have told 20 minutes ago. You can see that when I try to refresh the page, and we got the total expense as well as the total income as well. Here you can see these two cards that he has added just now, and below that we have the charts as well. And these are the features of the new workload. You can explore further. If you want to include other features as well, you can ask me. Make the dashboard UI work first. Here you can see, would you like to switch to plan more for structured learning? I'm gonna say yes. So first it will build the plan, then it will show you the what it's gonna do. Here you can see it is adding the CSS and the HTML code for us. Actually, if you want to explore the new workload, you can type slash. You can see here we have the slash session as well, similar to the open code. Here you can see we have the slash session, switch session, in session, switch. So let me click on slash session now, and I'm gonna click on confirm now. Here you can see on the right hand side we have the context window and how many percentage that we have used, and here we have the URL, right? Let me copy this URL and open this in the browser now. From the URL itself you can see that they have taken up the open code, so I don't think it will work out right here. Here you can see we got the error here invalid APK, please provide valid APK. I don't know how this is happening. It is redirect to the open code website instead of the MiMo Code. So they have I know they have taken the open source open code, but still they can change the URL, right? So on the right hand side you can see all the configurations there. Here you can see we asked for a dashboard changes, right? Now the dashboard looks good. Earlier it was messy, but now it finds now. So yeah, this is all about the MiMo Code. If you want to explore the other features, you can see there are many features as well similar to the open code. You can export the session. You can also add the skills as well, and you can also install the packages, and you can also switch the theme. So if you want to install any packages, you can just type your npm package over here. So yeah, this is all about the MiMo Code, and I will continue in the next one.